this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, August 29, 2022. Friday was a giant down day for the markets. We have a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern that has formed, and that's what we're going to be looking at this morning in the Daily IQ. Let me go ahead and get it set up. I'm going to grab all four instruments. The setup will be based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, the overnight session is seeing more weakness following the weakness from Friday, so we are trading below Friday's low. I'm going to add that here in the opening area section. I just hit equals next to open below prior day low. Next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library, and we're going to grab a candlestick pattern that is right there, the third option down. It's also available on the active today section as well. You could grab it from there, but I've put that on there. The next thing I want to do is go to the indicators library, and I'm going to add an indicator, and that is going to be below a 200-day simple moving average. That is right here. You can see the below sign has been selected, and now I'm going to click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you were opening below the prior day low, and the prior day had a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern that took place below a 200-day simple moving average. So this pattern is fairly rare when you get the continuation to the downside in the overnight session with that open below prior day low. You can see the sample sizes are fairly light here. S&P just 15 samples, NASDAQ 17, Dow 13, Russell 20. So not a lot of samples here. Keep that in mind as we look at the results below. The win rate for the S&P is coming in at 60% of these have closed above the opening print following that pattern. For the NASDAQ, 65% have closed above the opening print. For the Dow, it's more neutral, 46%, and the Russell, similar to the NASDAQ, 65%. If you look at the average moves, you'll see the average loss sizably larger than the average win for the S&P. Not the case in the NASDAQ. It has a larger average win. The average loss in the Dow is larger than the average win, and then the Russell, the average win is larger than the average loss. So we're mixed on which side has had the bigger moves. Historically, we're 2-2 on that one. If we look at the win rates, 3 of the 4 have favored the upside historically with this pattern. So a little bit mixed on the size of the moves. 3 out of 4 of them have closed above the open more often than not. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.